asking what were the problems that our company has been facing before the integration. There were a lot of problems, and it's important to mention that integrating our web page with SAP was the best thing that we have ever done. Inventory accuracy. So yes, we did not have this inventory synchronization, and that became a huge problem because from time to time people were buying stuff that we really didn't have physically. This became a problem for the end user, and we had to get the product to our clients and then fulfill the orders. But now this is completely different. Additionally, the price differences was another important issue. We have a lot of discounts and we have a lot of connection with our suppliers. They change a lot the prices, and from time to time we have to do these changes as fast as we could, right? And there was a double work because we have one person doing the changes on SAP, and then we had another person doing the changes in Magento. The same problem happened with SKU codes. So we didn't have a tool that could help us see if something was synchronizing or not. So in this case, the problem was that sometimes the SKU code was not correct. Also, the order management, because sometimes our people were like copying directly from the backend of Magento the purchase order. So all these manual activities were like damaging our business and became a huge amount of efforts and time that we were definitely wasting. So the second question you were asking, how is the performance of your tool with respect to the huge orders that we're currently handling? Okay, and well, the performance is okay. I mean, we've seen a lot of development. Additionally, we've taken a little bit of time as well to understand SAP. So we've been working, as far as I know, for about a year with SAP, and now we got used to it, and now we're placing more attention to your tool, and this tool has been helping us to see what stuff is being syncing and how is everything working, and we now see what we definitely need to be taken care of. To summarize, yes, we like the performance, and we're still testing the performance in different aspects. You were also asking what are the functionalities that the connector is helping us currently, mostly? Well, I believe that inventory synchronization, since we have the different points of sale and different warehouses, we needed to concentrate the sum of inventory from different warehouses that we could have product availability at the moment. And your people help us, well, in this case, Pratik, help us to consider which warehouses and what information should be traveling to our platform. So I believe that synchronizing inventory and showing reliable information to our clients is something that we really appreciate a lot, regardless of price, synchronization, and order management, business partner management, which is also important. But to be honest, for us, yes, it's important, the price, and it's something that it's about to be done and it's working quite fine. How APPSeCONNECT is helping your business grow each day. Well, it's mainly the same thing that I mentioned before, but to be concise, I would say that, well, we reduce the double work and the manual updates. So for me, this is, like taking care of that headache, because it was definitely a waste of time maybe it was a waste of money. And I believe that having just a single point to update not only SAP but also Magento is the perfect thing to have, right? So in my opinion, I think that what is helping us is to become more efficient. That's what is basically the main aspect. Become efficient, and it's helping us to focus on selling rather than managing, right? So this tool is helping us to forget about these these aspects that have been taking our eyes from what we do better, which is selling, right? I would say as well that it has increased the client's confidence, and additionally, even our own board of directors are more, I would say, happy with the fact that we will reduce the inventory differences, because our people tend to make a lot of mistakes when they are creating purchase orders or when they are placing the data of our business partners. So, having the automation of processes within our organization will be something that will definitely help us grow. And automating these processes will definitely help us to focus on what we do better, as I mentioned, which is selling. It's tough, but luckily, right now we are working perfectly well, and this is thanks to our current consultant. And I have to be honest, because he's definitely going every single day to check what we are doing, to check if there are no errors, to check if we have something additional to consider. How do I plan to use APPSeCONNECT in the near future? Well, we're thinking so far to stay with this version of Magento 1.9. Probably, and it's very likely that we will move towards Magento 2. We want to check what the functionalities will be for Magento 2, and what else can we get from your tool, and see if we could even get more information to populate more the database in SAP for each of our clients. And I don't know. We will see. But so far, what we have is what we need. Thank you so much for your time.